Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can do this like text tracking edit on CapCut PC. Super simple, just add in your video and add in your text. And I'm just going to type in ballerina. I'm not going to do the text tracking for all of the duration though, because it's going to take so long. So I'm just going to make the video shorter like so. And then here I'm just going to go to font and I'm going to change the font of it. I like this one, which suits it the best because it's like a ballet font. You can also add in some styles. I'm just going to leave it plain like this. And then just go to tracking and go to motion tracking and select which part you want to track. So I'm just going to select this person right here, and then you can adjust the scale. I'm not going to do that. I just follow the tracking objects. I'm just going to turn the distance on. You can also adjust the direction, but I'm not going to do that. And I'm just going to press start, and it's going to start tracking the person with the text. It does move with the person, as you can see, like so. I'm just going to press cancel here. As you can see, it will follow the person. That is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!